Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Respected lecturers and fellow students, thank you for the opportunity given to me today. On this occasion, I would like to present my research proposal entitled Improving Student Speaking Skill Through Problem-Based Learning or PBL at SMP Negeri 1 Mataram. My name is Gali Wirabakti Winantara Putra from class 7 TP1 and from the English Education Study Program, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, University of Mataram. This research focuses on improving student speaking ability by applying a more student-centered and communicative learning approach. Okay, next is why speaking matters. Speaking is one of the most important skills in learning English because it is directly related to communications. Through speaking, students are able to express ideas, opinions, and feelings in real situations. In English learning, students may understand grammar and vocabulary, but without speaking ability, communication cannot happen effectively. Therefore, speaking is often considered the heart of language learning and should receive more attention in the classroom. Okay, the next slide is the problem in the classroom. However, in real classroom practice, many students experience difficulties in speaking English. Based on classroom observation, students often feel shy and afraid of making mistakes. They worry about incorrect grammar, pronunciations, or being laughed at by their friends. In addition, limited vocabulary makes it difficult for students to express their ideas. As a result, students tend to be silent and passive during speaking activities. And the next slide is curriculum expectation versus reality. According to the curriculums, students are expected to become active communicators. They should participate in discussions, ask and answer questions, and express opinions in English. However, the reality in many classrooms is different. Teaching is still dominated by the teacher, and students mainly listen rather than speak. This gap between curriculum expectation and classroom reality becomes a major challenge in teaching speaking skills. Okay, next slide is attempt by teachers. To solve these problems, teachers have applied several teaching methods such as storytelling, role play, and text-based learning. This method helps students practice speaking to some extent. However, many activities are still scripted, and students often memorize dialogue instead of communication naturally. Therefore, students do not fully develop spontaneous speaking ability or confidence. And next, what is problem-based learning or PBL? One teaching approach that can address these issues is problem-based learning or PBL. PBL is a learning method that begins with real-life problem instead of direct explanations. Student works in group to analyze problems, discuss ideas, and find solutions. In this process, the teacher acts as facilitator rather than the main source of information. This makes learning more active and student-centered. Next is how PBL works. In the implementation of PBL, learning starts by presenting a real-life problem related to student daily experience. After that, students discuss the problem in groups and share their ideas using English. The teacher guides the discussion and provides support when needed. Finally, students present their solution in English, which gives them real opportunities to practice speaking. Okay, next slide is benefit of PBL. Problem-based learning offers several benefits for speaking class. It helps students improve fluency because they speak more frequently. Accuracy and vocabulary also improve because students use language in meaningful contexts. Most importantly, PBL helps students build confidence and learn how to work collaboratively with others. And next is research questions. Based on the background and problems discussed, this study focused on 3 research questions. First question is related to student speaking skill before PBL implementation. Second question focus on how PBL is implemented in the classroom. And the third question aims to identify student speaking improvement after implementation of PBL. And next is research method. This research uses classroom action research or CAR. CAR is suitable because it focuses on improving teaching and learning process in the classroom. This research follows 4 stages: planning, acting, observing, and reflecting. The study will be conducted in 2 cycles to see continuous improvement in student speaking skill. Okay, next is participants. The participants of this research are 2 class 8th grade student at SMP Negeri 1 Mataram. This class was selected because the students saw low speaking performance and need improvement in speaking ability. Okay, next is data collections. Data will be collected by using several techniques. Speaking tests, including pre-test and post-test, will be used to measure student speaking improvement. Classroom observation will be conducted to see student participation and confidence. Interview will also be used to support and strengthen the data findings. Okay, next, expected results. It is expected that students' speaking ability will improve after implementation of PBL. Students are expected to speak more fluently, participate actively in the discussions, and show higher confidence when expressing ideas in English. Okay, next is last one, listener. From the study, it is expected that speaking skill develop through practice, not memorizations. Real-life problem create real communication opportunities, and PBL makes learning more meaningful and engaging for students. Okay, I think that's all for my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.